If you want to create an event in your calendar on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first we need to go to Calendar. Once you open the calendar, we can press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner. Now we can set the title for the event. Over here we can tap on this icon in order to add an emoji, let's say. And here we can also choose the color. There we go. Now we can select whether the event should last whole day. And if not, then we can also select the time when it starts and when it ends. We can tap on the date in order to switch it as well. We can of course choose different start and end date. And the same goes with time over here. Besides that, we can tap on location in order to write the location and then assign the location to the event. We can also choose whether we want to save it on our Google account or just your phone. We can also choose the alert. So if you want to be notified about the event 10 minutes before, then of course you can select it over here. You have different times, how many minutes or hours or even days before you want to be notified about the event. You can also create a custom notification here, and you can also be notified by email. Besides that, we can enable repetitions, we can create notes, we can add the video conference by using Google Meet. We have attachments, we can add contacts to this list, we can adjust the visibility, whether it is busy or free, and time zone. Once you are done and filled in everything that was needed, we can press save in the bottom right corner. And there we go. We have created our event over here. We can tap on the date as you just saw, tap on the event, and we can find the summary. We can duplicate the event, edit it, delete, and add countdown widget. That's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.